I appreciate
Okay.
it.
So in the intro, I said that your goal is to end workplace suffering.
Yeah. Yeah.
So briefly,
Yeah.
how do you train leaders in this area?
Yeah, I hate that so many of my friends and so many of my family hate their job. When you talk to people, out and about at parties and at home, it's it's bleak. And if you look at the statistics on job satisfaction, it is not getting better. Like the last one I saw, something like 55% of folks are actively tuned out of their job. It's mind-boggling, yeah. And so, how can I help that? How can I help leaders work through that? It's really about giving that. I'm going to try to stay out of the buzzwords, but a sense of ownership back to the colleagues doing the work. So for me, as a continuous improvement practitioner, it's allowing space for the people doing the work to improve their own work. So again, old Dave knew the answers, and I could tell them how to improve their work. Didn't work very well. Old Dave now knows how to set up time and meetings and tools that allow the colleagues doing the work to do it themselves. And so I think that's part of it for me. And then, of course, coaching leaders to do the same. Coaching leaders to sit in the back of the conference room and not at the head of the table. There are times you have to, of course.
Sure.
But if you want to develop your team, if you want them to hate their job less, you have to let them do it themselves. You have to give them time and space and some resources to do it. Can't do it for them.
And what you did is, if we go really deep with what you just said, you're allowing people to feel safe so they can voice their opinions. And that's really how I see what you're saying. And I hear my clients tell me I don't feel heard and silent. So why do you think that's my theme when I talk to leaders?
Yeah,
it's not
so
my idea. It's what people are telling you. So Dave, I'm applauding you for that.